Hello, everyone. Welcome to LEDEdit, full color controller programming software, a video tutorial of it. We are the developer of this software, Rubikai Intelligent. Today, I will take you to fully. This professional LED lighting control various functions. This software is designed for lighting dynamic effects. One-stop solution. Whether you are a novice in the industry or a senior lighting designer, you can quickly master various operations of this software. The entire video tutorial. I will divide it into 6 parts for explanation. These 6 parts are, I will introduce in the video a list that I will introduce to you one by one. Okay, let's start with the first part. Let's first look at an introduction to the interface of the software. In the upper left corner of the software is our menu bar, and which has many tool menus that can be called, here. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay, let's take a look at the row with icons again. This one is our toolbar and the middle black part. The black part in the middle is our pixel.
Is our pixel.
The black working area is used to edit the pixel points. Pixel maps and images. What we are seeing now, this dynamic effect, a display of a lighting effect. The left part of our interface is our layout window and program management window. This window can be adjusted according to personal preference. We can move it to the right or switch to the left side and hide it. The size of this window to make it easier for you to display
our lighting and the area of our lighting
to better experience the overall effect. Okay, next we will show you our software in different application scenarios, a programming case. Let's watch a video first. It's a colorful mini, a full color dynamic effect of a luminous word. It has a border
and some dynamic light running effects.
Let's take a look at this part of it first, which is a colorful light word. Okay, let's take a look at its running method. This is the action of outlining the edge. After the border is drawn, we fill in the color inside. After the filling, we do some light flow effects. And this forms our the border of our colorful word, and then do some color flow. And so on. In this case, we usually handle the background. We use the custom animation. We can edit it in the custom animation effect editor. First, we draw the border.
We use this hand-drawn mask.
And then inside, and then fill in the color inside. After filling it, the animation effect is completed. Then click confirm to finish. After the effect is done, it will automatically generate this animation. Then our second effect is the color flow of our fluid effect. We can choose some animation materials to select some animation materials in this way. We can quickly complete the colorful words lighting project. Finally, we can export it. This is an application case of a dynamic light box. Let's watch a video first. This video is a lighting of a monochromatic white light animation project of a dynamic light box. First, we make a flowing dynamic, and then the text part of the flow. Finally, the entire light box needs to be always on. It's relatively a rectangle, which is a relatively simple effect. Okay, after we finish watching this effect, let's take a look at our entire project. We open this software. When creating a new project, remember to select our port, and then select the option of dynamic light box. After opening it, we have a light box word. At this time, we can open our project or create a new pixel point by yourself. The second step, we can select the program, select the background of the animation. This is quite simple. After doing the connection layout, we can operate it. Then select our dynamic effect here. After importing the dynamic effect, we can directly export it. It's very simple. Let's watch a video first. This is a dynamic flowchart of a process. It's a process of wind power generation. Finish the green water flow. After watching this, let's look at an engineering case. Here, a total of 4 ports are used. Each port is a different color. It uses a 4-port controller. Let's take a look at the animation effect of the program. Okay, according to the video of the light, to make a lighting flow effect. Okay, let's take a look at our layout again. We import an image. We align the layout of the on-site pixel map to fit the picture with a 1:1 ratio, and then we finish the layout. We're done with it. So how do we achieve this effect? In this background, there is a custom animation editor. Here we made a border using the effect of hand-drawn border. Then we
did a processing.
First, we flow it. This simple effect is completed. Let's watch a video first. This is a cosplay light prop effect. Okay. A yellow stream flows to both sides. Okay. Repeat this action. Let's take a look at the file of our project. First, we open this file and made a lighting connection layout. Then the light starts from the handle of the knife and then flow to both ends. Let's first look at this part. This is our starting point, which is the part of the knife. This position here. So why do we have an auxiliary point in the whole project? There is an auxiliary point here because we are making this one a spreading effect from the middle to both sides. So we made an auxiliary point here to move the overall flow position of the light to move towards the middle and front. So we made an auxiliary point here. Let's take a look at the overall lighting effect. We zoom in on this area and click preview. At this time, it is a red background and a yellow light to flow to both sides. Flowing to both sides. Here, the handle is in this part. So it just happens to be stuck in this point. A flowing effect. So this effect is a circular flow effect. Let's watch a video first. This is a lighting project. Lighting effects. Here, they have created a firework effect. It's a dynamic flow. Okay. Let's take a look at our project. This is the general layout of our project. Let's take a look at the effect. It is a blooming of fireworks. This material we usually download it from the internet or generate an animation with AI and directly import it into our controller. It can be AVI, such as AVI or SWF or TAL format. For TAL format, here you can see that here is a list of formats. The overall effect, we zoomed in. Let's take a look again. Because the denser pixels, the more delicate the light will be. If you have fewer pixels, then the light will only be a little bit. It will have a general atmosphere effect. Let's watch a video first. This video is a demonstration of the floor location. Location of a floor of a watch. A demonstration of the status of the function. And an effect. This effect is achieved by, is to simulate a floor positioning with light. Okay, we can see that. After reaching each floor, there is a pause, and then up and down, a flowing light effect. Let's take a look at its engineering. First, let's take a look at our preview, which is to drag here, and we can see that. You can see that there is a pause after a certain floor, and then it flows up and down. Let's take a look at its layout. The layout is a simple straight line, a series from bottom to top.
Okay.
In total, we have arranged 85 pixels. So in our program, we made a program, and then we can make it loop. Here you can see the effect of its flow. Let's take a look at the main difficulty. Is that the understanding of the lighting in this part? First, we do this here. We made this lighting effect. Then let's imagine that we make right here, we make a light blue color block here and then move it upward. When it reaches this position, we turn it into a black thing and then move it further. This color block, it will move forward. When it reaches here, if we wanted to pause, we can directly copy it here at the current frame. It's the current frame for how many frames. It will pause for that many seconds. This forms a pause in the movement. This is relatively speaking.
Yes.
Except for this part. Other parts are relatively simple.